Hello, Can Do Guy here with Ty Ty. We have a new project. It's a Harley Davidson Sportster quick disconnect sissy bar with the backrest, and we just got it out of the box. It takes a 5/32 Allen socket, and over here is the back storage rack. And we're going to stop for now and try to get this thing together. It's going on this Harley Sportster 1200 custom. Okay, we're back. We got these pieces slid together. The backrest here slides in the rails here, along with the side pieces here on each side. These go to the back, that goes to the front. We'll bolt these in here first, right here on each side, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Just to let you guys know, you have to take the Allen wrench, put it in the screw right here, and align with this with a punch or some kind of alignment tool to get these holes to line up. You have to do both sides that way. There's two screws to each side. We'll get this tightened up and be back. Back again, show you a little bit of the tightening up here. And you got to do each one of them a little bit at a time. Just get them kind of snug on each side to start off with. This one's kind of loose. Anyway, you got four of them to tighten up, two on each side. So we'll finish this up and get right back with you. Okay, we have her together. There's the two screws there and the two screws there on the inside. All these pieces just slide in together here and you screw it together. Okay, looks like she's about ready to put on. This is an aftermarket kit, so we'll see how it does. We'll be right back. Okay, we have the kit here for the mounting hardware. As you can tell, this one is smaller than this one. These go on the back, these go on the front. And we'll show you right quick over here on the bike. I'm assuming you take this bolt out and this bolt out. We'll see what happens. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. To start with, you'll have to take your taillight lens off. Mine just pops off with a flat screwdriver. As you can see where my thumb is right there. You just pry it off and it comes off. And then you'll be able to hopefully get this in here with your ratchet. And this is a, I believe, let's get her zoomed in here. It's a T40. Come on, get focused in. There it is. T40. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, as you can see, that bracket on the back goes straight up and it hooks underneath that brace right there. It does it on both sides, so that's how you need to, I assume, put it back together. It's kind of trial and error right now. We'll give it a shot. Right back. Back again, I just wanted to let you know this Allen wrench is a 5/32 that puts the sissy bar kit together. The new bolt with the spacer takes a 3/16 Allen wrench, and the old one, to get it off the bike, takes a T, and it's a T40. Oh, that's the wrong one. Here it is. T40. That takes the bolt off. This one installs the new one. And this is the one for the Sissy Bar rack. Okay, we'll be right back. We're back. As you can see, that wrench on the back side is a number 13. And you put the ratchet out here, loosen it up. We're going to get this done and we'll be right back. We're back and Ty-Ty's with me again. I'm going to go down here and show you, just to reiterate how this goes together. You have to reuse this piece that's on the motorcycle, your new nut, your new bolt, and your bushing. Okay, and let's see, I think, let me see what this one takes again. Yeah, this takes a 3/16 Allen. And it goes right in there like that. And this piece here goes up to the top. It stands up like that when you put it together. Okay, boy, get back out of things. We'll get right back to it and be back with you.